In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with Microsoft Outlook. It's a simple process that enhances how you manage your emails and deals, making your workflow more efficient and streamlined. Whether you're in sales or project management, this integration can save you a lot of time by keeping everything in one place. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. This is where we begin our journey to integrate these two powerful tools. Once you are on the Pipedrive homepage, look for the login button, typically located on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Now, type in your email and password in the respective fields provided. It's crucial to ensure your login credentials are correct to gain access to your Pipedrive account. After you've entered your information, simply click on the login button to enter your Pipedrive environment. Once you're logged in, head to the Pipeline Deals section. This is where you'll manage your sales and collaborate with your team more effectively. From here, we'll move on to the next crucial step of the process. Find your way to the marketplace. It can usually be found on the top navigation or in the settings menu, depending on how your dashboard is set up. When you've reached the marketplace, use the search bar to type in Outlook. We're looking for the specific application known as Pipedrive for Outlook. This is the bridge that will allow your two platforms to communicate effortlessly. As you type, suggestions will appear and you'll soon see the app we need. Select it from the list to get a closer look at what it offers. After you've clicked on Pipedrive for Outlook, you'll see a detailed page with more information about the integration. Here you're going to authorize this connection. Look for the Authorize button and click on it. This authorization is key as it allows Pipedrive and Outlook to interact seamlessly, sharing important data between platforms. Following authorization, you'll be prompted to proceed with the installation. Find the Proceed with Install button and click on it. It's as simple as that, and this will initiate the setup process in the background. Finally, once the installation process is successful, you'll receive a guide on how to finish setting up Outlook on your device. Follow these instructions carefully if you need additional help configuring your Outlook to work perfectly with Pipedrive. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Pipedrive with Microsoft Outlook, opening up a new realm of productivity and